Hey everyone, myself Srishti Sharma. I'm in MSc first semester in Cluster University Mandi, and today I'm going to talk about the Fasciola hepatica life cycle. And this beautiful chart is made by Rupali Thakur. So, Fasciola hepatica is also called as liver fluke as it attacks liver cells in body of human or cattle, etc. It is a parasitic trematode, okay, and it causes the disease fasciolosis. So, fasciolosis in which it causes immense damage to the liver tissues and bile ducts of cattle. So, before going to life cycle, firstly we will discuss the morphology. So it causes the disease fasciolosis and इसका primary host क्या है man, a secondary host है snail. So it has two hosts. Okay. So about the morphology, इसकी जो body है वो soft body होती है और oval shape होती है इसकी और flat leaf like structure होता है. ठीक है. Its body is transparent, so internal ऑर्गन्स आर विजिबल. इसकी जो बॉडी होती है वो ऐसी ट्रांसपेरेंट होती है कि जो इसके इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है हम उसको देख सकते हैं. एंड इट हैज़ टू सक्कर्स, ओरल सक्कर नियर द माउथ एंड द वेंट्रल सक्कर. ओके, सो ओरल सक्कर जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सक्टोरियल ऑर्गन बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स टू सक ब्लड एंड न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, और जो वेंट्रल सक्कर है उसे क्या कहते हैं एसिटाब्यूलम. ओके, सो इट हैज़ two apertures. Genital aperture is a gonophore in both genital pores are opened, in which both genital pores are open, male and female genital pore. Okay, and second is excretory pore, which is in posterior side, and its body covering is made up of cuticle. So next move to the life cycle. So according to its life cycle, it has two hosts, the primary host, the man, and the secondary host is snail. Okay? So now how it enters in our body and cause the disease. So Fasciola hepatica cyst mainly present in water plants. Mainly ये water plants में present होता है. So this is cyst is encysted metacercarial larva और इसको हम metacercarial larva बोलते हैं. After that, when animals, sheep or other cattle consume the water plant, okay, of the cyst of the Fasciola hepatica, the encysted metacercarial larva enters through the mouth and goes through the intestinal tract and comes to small intestine. So जब ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में आ जाता है तो ये जो ड्यूडेनम की वॉल है उसको पेनिट्रेट करता है और लीवर में पहुंच जाता है. जब ये लीवर में पहुंच जाता है तो ये लीवर सेल्स को अटैक करता है और गॉल ब्लैडर सेल को अटैक करता है. तो जब मेटासर्कीरियल लार्वा बॉडी में आया था तो इसमें सिस्ट वॉल प्रेजेंट होती है, बट व्हेन इट एंटर्स टू द लीवर इसकी जो सिस्ट वॉल होती है वो रप्चर हो जाती है और क्या फॉर्म होता है एडल्ट फेशियोला. ओके, सो व्हेन द fasciola have the sexual life cycle of inside the body of the host, that is in a primary host, right? So after cross fertilization in liver fluke, the operculated eggs gets formed. So this operculated eggs goes out of our body through the feces in the water. So eggs embryonates in water. After that, in this a first larval stage comes, that is Miracidium larval stage. So जो Miracidium larval stage है वो एक non feeding larval stage है and its body is made up of 21 rows, right, and its body is covered by the cilia and apical papilla is present, right. So apical papilla which helps in penetrate the inside the snail's body. After the Miracidium larva, the Miracidium larva goes into the snail body. After enters into the snail body, the encysted Miracidium cyst gets rupture and it forms the sporocyst larva. So the sporocyst larva is covering is made up of cuticle and its side its muscle layers is present एंड इसके सीलिया जो है वो डिस्चार्ज हो जाते हैं. ओके, और इसमें जर्म बॉल्स प्रेजेंट होती है. ओके, जिससे जर्म बॉल से बहुत सारे रेडियल लार्वल बनते हैं. आफ्टर द स्पोरोसिस द रेडियल लार्वल गेट्स फॉर्म्ड. इन रेडियल लार्वल द माउथ, the pharyngeal glands, collar gut is present, okay, and the birth pore is present, okay. So जो germ balls present होते हैं radial larval में, so the germ balls form cercarial larva in winters and which comes out through the birth pore or cercarial larva. After the radial larva, the cercarial larva gets formed. So the cercarial larva has a mouth, oral sucker, and flame cells for excretions are present, and its locomotion with the help of the tail, right? So after the cercaria larva leaves the body of the snail and it reaches the water plants and it forms the metacercaria cyst. Again the same life cycle starts. It goes to the intestine and goes to liver, and again all the life cycle start, right? So this is all about the Fasciola hepatica life cycle. So next, if we talk about its pathogenesis, it causes hepatitis damage. So when parasite passing through the liver, it causes hepatitis damage. Now necrosis of liver, okay. Next, it causes abscesses of lungs. Abscesses means फूल जाना, lungs का फूल जाना. Body wall on fibrotic lesions. Next, anemia, common inflammation and damage of bile duct. Next, its symptoms: abdominal pain, jaundice, nausea, tenderness and lethargy, etc. Okay. Lastly, its treatment: triclabendazole or bithionol. Thank you.